Hey there, have you ever felt like the world is just spinning way too fast? Or did you know that nearly 80% of adults experience regular stress? Crazy, right? In these wild times, finding inner peace can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. But don't worry, today we're diving into how you can find your calm amidst the chaos. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're going to talk about something super important: spiritual cleansing and restoration. Now, you might be wondering, what does that even mean? Well, think of it as a way to reset your mind and spirit. Just like your phone needs a reboot sometimes, our souls do too. Spiritual cleansing helps us let go of negative energy, stress, and emotional baggage that we pick up along the way. It's all about creating that inner peace we crave, allowing us to live our best lives. So let's explore how we can achieve this together. All right, let's get real for a minute. Life can be overwhelming. Whether it's work stress, family drama, or just the daily grind, it's all too easy to feel weighed down. Many of us struggle with negativity, whether from the outside world or even our own minds. Ever find yourself caught in a cycle of self-doubt or anxiety? You're definitely not alone. These feelings can leave us feeling disconnected from ourselves and the universe. And when we're disconnected, it's hard to find that inner peace we're looking for. So what do we do about it? Here's where spiritual cleansing comes in. There are various methods you can try to cleanse your spirit and restore your energy. First up, let's talk about meditation. It's not just for monks in orange robes. Anyone can do it. Just find a quiet space, sit comfortably, and focus on your breath. Even 5 minutes of deep breathing can make a huge difference. Next, we have visualization. Picture a peaceful scene in your mind, maybe a serene beach or a lush forest. As you visualize, imagine that you're absorbing all the positive energy around you while letting go of negativity. This is a powerful technique that can really help shift your mindset. And lastly, let's not forget about energy healing. This can be as simple as using crystals or even getting into practices like Reiki. If you're curious, try holding a crystal like amethyst or clear quartz while you meditate. You might be surprised at how it enhances your experience. The key here is to find what resonates with you and make it a regular practice. Now, I know you're all eager to experience something special, so let's do a quick guided meditation together. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath in. Hold it for a moment, and exhale slowly. Picture a bright light surrounding you, filling you with warmth and peace. This light is washing away all your stress and negativity. With each breath, feel the tension leaving your body. Inhale calmness, exhale stress. Keep breathing deeply, feeling lighter and more at ease. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. How do you feel? So there you have it. We've explored what spiritual cleansing is all about and the various methods you can use to achieve that coveted inner peace. Remember, it's all about letting go of negativity and reconnecting with yourself. The journey to spiritual restoration can transform your life, helping you navigate the ups and downs with grace and balance. I'd love to hear about your experiences. Have you tried any of these methods before? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my other videos on spiritual growth and self-care for more tips and techniques. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay peaceful.